Smells so good. Your lemon pepper wings are ready. Today we are making crispy lemon pepper wings in the air fryer. So easy, so delicious. Before I begin, please like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, we have 4 pounds of wings here. Already cut them up, as you can see, nice and clean. Once you're done washing them, cleaning them, you are going to pat them dry because you want them to be nice and crispy. So any moisture, any water, just pat them dry just like this until there is no type of water on the chicken. Then here's what you're going to do. You're going to drizzle some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Now you're going to mix everything together. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated with the oil. That's how you're gonna get the seasoning to stick on there. Now it's time to season the chicken. I am using a whole bunch of seasoning here. I have a tablespoon each. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of that Island Vibe Cajun seasoning with some Creole seasoning, ground black pepper, and that is all you need. Just sprinkle it all over, mix it up just like this. And I know I am using a lot of seasoning. Yes, you do need a lot of seasoning, especially when you're making wings. Okay, these are going to be cooked in the air fryer. However, you can grill them. You can put them in the oven. Pretty much, you can even fry them if you like, but I am going to put them in the air fryer today. Just like this, just add the whole thing in there, give it a mix, make sure it's nicely coated with the seasoning, and then we can pop these in the air fryer. I'm going to be using my Thai Fur air fryer. The link will be down below. Very spacious. I'm so sorry, it's a little bit loud. Very spacious. I'm going to place my wings right in. As you can see, the tray is very, very spacious. This is why I like using this air fryer. I am not paid to say this, but I love using it. We just have a few more to add in, and then we're going to pop it in the air fryer. Set that aside. Close it just like this. Turn it on. We actually going to cook the wings. There's a wing button on here, and I'm going to lower the temperature to 375 for about 15 minutes. Then we can flip it over for another 15 minutes. The chicken is halfway there. We're going to flip it over. I actually cook it for 20 minutes. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown on that side. We're just going to flip it over, allow the other side to get nice and golden brown and have a little crunch to it as well. So just flip it over. Now it's time to put it back in there for another 10 minutes, all right? So let's just set our timer, 375 for 10 minutes. All right, guys, the chicken is done and it's looking good. I'm just going to remove them, place them into this bowl right here. This is where we're going to pour our lemon pepper butter sauce on. So just place it in here. This is what our wings looks like. They are looking good, smelling good, as you can see. Now it's time to make the lemon pepper butter sauce. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in there. We're going to allow that to melt for a little bit. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper in there. Give it a quick mix, just like this. And also we're going to add some of that fresh parsley on there. Quick mix, and it is ready to be poured over our wings. Now we're just going to pour it all over the wings, just like this. Okay, it smells so good. No, it's about to be so delicious. And now we give this a nice toss. Oh, looks good. Smelling amazing. Make sure it's nicely coated. Make sure it's nicely coated. And there you go. Your lemon pepper wings is ready. Your lemon pepper wings are ready. It's time for the taste test. And let me tell you, these wings are extremely crispy. Listen to this. Can you hear it? Super crispy. Crispy on the outside and the inside is nice and tender. Let's give it a try. You cannot go wrong with lemon pepper. There's a reason why lemon pepper wings has a special place in my heart. It's so bomb, so delicious. This is a 10 out of 10 recipe. Wingstop where? Can't compare, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment down below. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.